Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making a very delicious curry chana and aloo, the kind that pairs well with any kind of roti or Indian side dish. This video is simple and to the point where I will walk you through the main steps. You can access the full list of ingredients in the description box down below. So with that said, let's get started. Okay, the first thing that you would want to do is to soak your chana overnight with about 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Before you soak it, remember to sort it and pick out all the bad black ones or any stones that may be found in the chana. So the next day when you're ready to start cooking your chana and aloo, the first thing that we need to do is to get our potatoes. As you can see, it has already been peeled, washed and cut into big pieces. This amount of potato was for a family of 4 to 5. Drain and set aside, and now we are going to get back to the chana. Once the chana was soaked overnight, drain and discard the water and place the chana into a bowl. Now season the chana with some chopped onion, garlic, pimento, hot pepper is optional, salt and green seasoning. I have a recipe for the green seasoning which you can click the link above, or there is a link for it in the description box down below. Now give everything a good mix and set aside. When you are ready to start cooking, place a large cast iron pot over low to medium heat and add 1 pot spoon of vegetable oil. We added a couple liters of curry leaves. Now we're going to go in with some whole grain geera. Let this fry up for a bit, for about 1 minute, and then go ahead and add some mathee. I've added about half a teaspoon of mathee, and you're going to cook this until it's very light brown, not burnt, because then you're going to get a very bitter taste. Go in with your sliced onion. And then give it a good mix. Next, add your garlic and pimento and give it a good mix again. We're going to go in with some saffron powder, about 1 tablespoon. Yeah. And then we're going to fry that up to get rid of that like saffron taste. And we added one tablespoon of curry powder to a bowl. Okay, so we add your curry paste in now, the curry that we mixed with a little water. We're going to fry that curry up until the water dries down. Keep an eye on it and keep stirring to ensure that it doesn't burn. You want to fry the curry properly to get that nice curry taste. So we blanch the tomato, 1 tomato, and we peel to remove the skin, and we're just slicing it now. Once you've chopped your tomatoes, go ahead and add it to the pot and then give everything a good mix. Once you've fried your tomatoes for about a minute, go ahead and add your potatoes to the pot, and we are still cooking on low heat around 3.5 to 4.0. It's very important that you cut the potatoes big so they will cook in time with the chana. Stir to coat all the potato pieces well to get that nice color. You would notice it is not dark in color, and that is because we use only saffron and a little curry powder. We are going in with 1 teaspoon of salt, since we also added salt to season the chana. You can always add towards the end when tasting. Now we are going in with the seasoned chana. It's looking so appetizing already, and we have just begun. Give it a good mix.
You must know the potato sauteing, how it does not watch. So the outside are the front color and the inside still looking raw.
So while this cooks for the next 1 to 2 minutes, put up some water to boil, whether it's a pot or kettle. Once this liquid has dried down, add hot water to continue the cooking process. Ensure that you add enough hot water to cover the potato and chana. So now cover your pot, and all that we are doing now is cooking our potato and chana on low to medium heat, about 4.0. Once you add the water, do not keep mixing it, or else the potato will break up too much. Once most of the liquid has dried down and the potato and chana is soft, you can take off the heat and taste for salt and pepper. So it's finished now. You're just gonna take it off the heat, and then that water should just dry up.
And the potato cooked. Nice.
And if you want to break up a couple pieces of potato,
You do that.
well, that's it guys for my delicious and easy to follow curry chana and aloo recipe. Check out all my other sides that can be paired with this recipe, especially my dal puri roti. So until next time, hope you guys get to try it. Comment down below if you did. If this video was helpful, please like, subscribe or share, and thanks for watching. See you again soon. Bye.